take out your butterfly locks is the right video for you. So there are two methods to take out your butterfly locks. The first method is unraveling method. I'm going to show you guys that method. So that method, you would unravel your butterfly locks from the end of the hair, and you would unravel it like this. See? So that's the first method. That is very time consuming. I would not advise you guys to do this method. Alright, so another method that you could use is trying to separate your hair from the root. As you can see, you slide the hair downwards, and then right here, I hope you guys are seeing. You guys can see, you're going to slide your hair downwards, right? And you can see this is the spring twist, and this is my natural hair. You're going to pull your natural hair outwards, right? So I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here because I'm seeing where my natural hair ends. So I'm going to cut it right here, and then I'm going to cut this section off. So this, out of all the three methods, this would be the easiest method to get your butterfly locks out. As you can see, none of my hair was cut, none of it was damaged. So this is a very nice protective style that you guys can try on yourself. It's very quick and easy, and you can wash your butterfly locks. This hairstyle can last up to 2 to 8 weeks, even longer if you want your hair to stay longer. You can care your hair by moisturizing it, and you can apply mousse to refresh your locks and make them look neat and fresh. So that's the easiest method. I only have 3 of these. What, 4? I have 4 of these remaining. So yeah, I had in this hairstyle for approximately 2 weeks. You can go ahead and re-wrap the front, because as you can see, this was re-wrapped because I did not tie my hair. I don't like to tie my hair, so I did not tie my hair, so it gets shaggy very easily, and I did them extremely big. I'm going to link the video here so you guys can watch it to see how I went ahead and installed these butterfly locks. It is super easy to install, so you guys have no excuses to do it by yourself. And it is the type of hair that I use. I use a spring twist hair. That's absolutely one of my favorite hair. So when you rewrap it, right, this is a rewrap locks. It's quite more difficult to take out than the butterfly locks when you just install it. So you're going to try to unravel the top here of the re-lock, the one that you have rewrapped. You're going to try to unravel that first, and to get rid of the top layer, you're going to cut it and try to unravel it.
Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one.
So if you want the front to re-wrap, well, my suggestion is not to wrap it over the hair that was already put in. I would advise you to unravel the one that you already put in at the root and then wrap it over from the start. Because if you wrap it over the hair that was already there, it's going to be extremely hard for you to take out. So that was very difficult. As you can see, there's a bit of hair that is still stuck right here. So if I have not went ahead and wrapped the hair over my install, over the hair that I've already installed, it would have been taken out already. But because I wrapped it over the hair, it's quite difficult to get it off. So my advice to you, don't make this mistake. If you want to make it look neat again, you can just take it out, the front ones, and redo them. So that's my advice to you, because it's harder. Or if you want to go ahead and wrap them over it, then you can do so, but it will be very hard to come out. So there are some pros of getting butterfly locks. Butterfly locks is a long-term protective style which locks in moisture in your hair. It's a very lightweight hairstyle. it can blend naturally with your natural hair. So if you use a different color like the color black, it can blend naturally with your hair, and it also gives you a very professional look. So the cons that I found with this hairstyle is that it can be tedious to take out. As you can see here, it is very tedious to take down, and if this hairstyle is left too long, it can lock your hair if it is left inside your hair for a long excessive period. So there are more pros to this hairstyle than there are cons. How to know when to remove your butterfly locks? So to know exactly when your butterfly locks want to be removed is when it becomes very irritated and your locks look very dirty, as if it has muck in it. Then that's the time you know it's time to take out your butterfly lock. Butterfly locks, you can let it last up to about 2 months to 3 months, depending on how you care your hair. You can even rewrap it so it can have a neater look. I mentioned earlier on, this is a sign that your hair needs to come out. As you can see, these little white thing, yeah, that's dirt. So my hair have grown approximately an inch. So this is a very safe protective styling that you guys can get. So guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I would have said see you in my next video, but go ahead and watch my vlogs. You can go ahead and watch more videos that I have on my channel, how to do your butterfly locks, how to install your braids, and a lot of video. So check out my channel and go over there and watch my rest of videos. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and get your girl to 1,000 subscribers. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of February. Yes, so head over to the page, and yeah, it was a pleasure.